Okay, this is the next step in the enrichment activities, or the Part 2 activities, for those of you that have already been through health and fitness already. So your next task is to create a Google form based off the nutrition information that you should already have. So on your nutrition page, I only have the very beginning one, but each of these elements should have articles and summaries that are already completed. You're going to use all the information on your nutrition page to create a quiz in Google Forms. So to find Google Forms, you're going to go to your Gmail or go to your Google Drive. You're going to click on the grid up in the corner. If you don't have Forms, Google Forms, in your home screen here, click on More. And you might have to go to Even More. And then you're just going to search for Google Forms. So as I'm looking down, here's Google Forms. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, open it up. Google Forms is very easy to use. You can create a title for your quiz, and I'd like your name to be on it so that I know that you know how to use it. And then you're just generating questions. They can be true-false questions. They can be multiple choice questions. It is up to you. So you will just create questions. The first question you always need to make sure that you have is name. It's just the way Google Forms operates. It's easier to track a student if you have a name selected where they have to put in that entry. So just put in name. And then over here on the side, if you put in short answer, it will give them an area to put their name in. Every question that you create, you need to make sure that you click on required, so they have to answer each question. Once you have the name one done, then you have to select 19 more questions. So your quiz is going to be a total of 20. You don't need to put numbers. It's not a big deal, so please don't put that. Just start writing your questions. The important factors of water. That could be a short answer question that you do. Short answer questions are harder to check. You could also make it a true-false just by labeling things as true, or false. You can make something a multiple choice question where you can actually put in answers here for them to select. If you want to create a question where all of the options are correct, then you will need to put, because it doesn't let you identify what the correct answer is, so you need to make sure that you do that component. Again, make sure that every question is required so that every student has to answer all the questions. Once you're totally done with the quiz, you'll want to take it yourself so that you have all the correct answers as your guide for correcting other ones.